In this video, we will draw the auxiliary view for this example right here. Here is an isometric view, and then the orthographic views or primary views. Here's our inclined surface right here, and from our primary views, we cannot determine or visualize its true shape and size. And that's when we use our auxiliary views for our inclined surface. So let me draw one really quickly for you in Inventor, and then we will actually draw it ourselves in Autocad. Okay, there we go. So here's our auxiliary view. We can see that it is perpendicular to the inclined surface, and the view that we see is our line of sight is directly on our auxiliary view. So in order to see one's true shape and size, your line of sight has to be perpendicular to the surface, which is how we draw our auxiliary view. It's also important to note that this view is perpendicular to the frontal plane. Okay, so let's go to AutoCAD and just draw this portion of our auxiliary view. We're not going to draw this top piece or bottom piece. We're just going to do the inclined surface. All right, so here is our front view and our top view. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to draw lines to our top view. Escape. And then we are going to draw a reference line. So it can be located anywhere. I'm going to turn my ortho mode on to ensure that it is 0 degrees. All right, escape. Great. And then you are going to need to draw your second reference line, which is perpendicular to the, well, it's actually parallel to the inclined surface that we see. So first, I'm going to change my user coordinate system. So UCS, enter. That's just our 0, 0 point. I'm going to have it right here. And then it says specify X. I'm going to move it right here. And Y, I'm going to click up here. You can click down here and the Y direction will be, the positive Y will be that way, but I'm going to have it just this way. It doesn't really matter. All right. And then this allows me to draw the perpendicular lines easier. So I'll go to line. I'll click up. All right, and then I'll just have my reference line here. This will be my second reference line. Click there, escape, and then I'll draw a line up to up here, escape, and then, oh, where's my mouse? I will trim that, so right-click, trim, escape. All right, now we are going to use circles to determine the distance from our reference line to these points, so we can draw that over here. You can use the measuring tool as well, but we're going to use circles because it's easy to use circles. So we'll do center radius circle and draw a circle from here to the bottom portion, and then another circle from our reference line to the top portion. It's important to note that this side will have the same radius circle. So if I drew one from this center point up here, it'll be the same circle as this one. And from this center point up to this top corner, it'll be the same circle as this. All right. And then we will copy and paste these circles. So click on the smaller circle and do Control-Shift-C. Specify base point. I want the center to be my base point. Click. All right. And then do Control-V, and we'll place the center here. And then Control-V again. Place that there. All right, and then we just need to extend these two lines up to the tops of these circles, just like from here to here and here, and from here to there. All right, so we can do that. I'm going to do escape using extend, right click to select all objects, extend that up again, and then one more time. Extend that, escape, And then we'll draw the bottom of our auxiliary view. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing for our bigger circle. So I'm going to first make this red so you guys can see these lines easier. All right, and then we'll do Control-Shift-C, and then Control-V to the center of right there, Control-V, the same place there, and then Escape, and we'll do Extend one more time, right-click, there, Escape, and then draw a line from here to here. Make sure you use the correct layers when you're doing it on your own. And then the last thing is we can use a hatch to show the auxiliary view. You have different styles. However, I'm just going to use the default style that's selected. Then you just click inside. And escape. And that is your auxiliary view for this inclined surface right there.